Now here is how we're going to do an invitation card on the Microsoft Word. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So as you can see, I am inside of the Microsoft Word, and what I can do is that not really start with a blank document, even though you most definitely can, like you can fill it up yourself, but you can as well choose one of the templates right there. So in the top right corner of the Word app, we have the more templates. And in there, you can see we can pick from plenty of different things, like we have the table notes, calendar, and so on, right? So one of them should definitely be one you can use. But as you can see, the selection is kind of limited and there aren't that many things to pick between. So instead of using the Microsoft Word app, I'm actually going to go to the Safari web browser. And what I'm going to look up into the search is Word templates. Right? And you can see that if I look that up, it literally tells me or shows me the official Microsoft Word.cloud.microsoft account, right? The official web, and I can access some free document templates online. So this is what I'm going to click on, and you can see it is a official Word page for templates. So I'm going to continue. And I'm already signed in, so it's gonna ask you if you're not to sign in. But in here, you can choose for literally anything that you want. So you can look up, for example, an invitation card, right? I'm just gonna type in invitation. We're gonna see what pops up, and you can see so many templates which you might be interested in. And you essentially just click on one and then kind of like change it and edit it according to your preference. So let's say I'm gonna click on or type in something else. Let's say this time I click the birthday party like that, and you can see a couple of invitations for that as well, or greeting cards, right? So it depends on what the goal is, but the point is that you can look up plenty of different templates. And let's say that I'm going to click on this tropical party. I'm going to click on edit. And now I'm going to have the ability to change the name of the event, right? And you can essentially make it look your own. So that's how you can edit it, right? And yeah, that's essentially the whole point behind it. You can then download it to your cloud, right? It should then also appear in the Microsoft app as well. So as you can see, you should be able to also open it inside of the Word app. So it's kind of like linked together. So that's essentially all I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.